Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find passcode in Zoom meeting application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Zoom meeting application. I'm going to find my Zoom meeting passcode. Then we can click on this icon, information icon. Then here you will get information about your personal meeting ID. And if you want to find the passcode, you can go to the aided meeting. Oops, sorry. Select aided meeting, and then you can find your passcode right here. If you want to copy the passcode, you can tap and hold on it. Then you can click on copy. And you can share it to your friend you want to invite to your meeting. Okay. Alright guys, now that's all the way to find a passcode in a Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.